Discover a pinnacle of luxury living in Navi Mumbai. Platinum Park site offers you a lifestyle that combines modern architecture, stunning views, and unparalleled sophistication, developed on a Sitco tender plot. Come, let's live this project with me. Platinum Park site is a ready-to-move-in project. As you can see behind me is the 22-story high-rise tower with 4 levels of car parking, and on the 5th level they have their recreational amenities zone filled with lush greenery. Apart from that, you get many amenities on the 5th level, podium level and rooftop level amenities with rooftop level swimming pool and many such amenities like multi-purpose court, kids play area, jogging track, etc. you will be getting in this project. Now let's talk about the connectivity further. One of the key highlights of this project, Platinum Park site, is its excellent connectivity. This project is located near BKC2 and is just 900 meters from the metro station, that is Petpara Metro, and apart from that, it is also very well connected to the Central Park, ISKCON temples and Gurudwaras, all at the nearest distances. Railway stations like Kharghar railway station is also just 10 to 15 approximately minutes from here. Empyrean International School is just walkable distance, that is 2 to 5 minutes from here, and Tata Hospital is just 5 to 10 minutes. So this was about the fabulous connectivity. Now I shall take you to the sample flat. This is the exact 2 BHK sample flat that I am showing you, and this is the actual flat that you will be getting when you come for the site visit. So this is our living area that you can set up, and it is very spacious, and here can be your TV unit and couch, and right next to it is our deck area, which is again very spacious, and you get beautiful views of Kharghar and Hillview. Here is our dining area, which is again very spacious, and the floor to ceiling height here is 10 feet, which is again an USP. Moving on, now we are getting into our double platform kitchen. So you can see again well enough space for compartments, and here can be placed your refrigerator with your storage space given to you. You can call it as your dry balcony. So the carpet area for this flat 2 BHK is starting from 748 square feet. Moving on, now let's get into our common washroom. Again, vitrified tiles and premium fittings. As you can see, you get exactly the same, and with that you're also getting your utility area attached to your common washroom. Let's move on. Now right in front, we are entering into our first bedroom, that is our common bedroom. Again, very well utilized zero wastage flat, and you're getting almost full length windows for ventilation, which is again premium windows that you're getting. I'll just show it to you. So in terms of the quality, this developer will definitely not disappoint you in any way. Now we are getting into our master bedroom, which is again in terms of quality and space, you're getting everything premium. We get full length windows right here again, and with that you're getting attached washroom with this master bedroom with vitrified tiles and branded fittings given to you the same way. So this was our premium 2 BHK sample flat, and the pricing for 2 BHK here is starting from 1.60 CR all inclusive, and 3.5 BHK starting from 2.93 CR all inclusive. For booking purpose and site visit, contact us today on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.